If you're searching for a reliable butane torch that delivers consistent flame, fast ignition, and top-tier control, this video will walk you through the top 5 butane torches on Amazon that truly burn best. Let's kick things off with the Iwatani PRO2 Professional Butane Torch, a favorite among both home cooks and professional. Designed with Japanese precision, the Iwatani PRO2 offers powerful and adjustable flame control, making it ideal for a range of applications from caramelizing crème brûlée to lighting grills and soldering small components. It attaches directly to a butane canister, giving it longer burn times and eliminating the need for frequent refills. The torch heats up quickly and provides a steady, concentrated flame that doesn't flicker under pressure. One of its best features is the one-touch piezo ignition, which ensures quick startups. Whether you're working in the kitchen or out in the garage, the Iwatani PRO2 is a reliable tool built for serious use. Next, we have the Messermeister Cheflamme Culinary Torch, a compact powerhouse that has been tested and proven to produce one of the most consistent 3 to 4 inch blue flames on the market. This torch stands out due to its fine-tunable flame control and high-performance output, reaching extremely high temperatures quickly and evenly. It's especially effective on cast iron pans and stainless steel surfaces, and it creates beautifully caramelized finishes on desserts. It also includes safety features such as a child-resistant trigger and an anti-flare design, making it suitable for kitchen environments. The Cheflamme is not just for chefs, it's also a hit with DIY enthusiasts who need pinpoint heating for crafting or small repairs. Coming in third is the Rösle Crème Brûlée Butane Torch, a tool that brings both elegance and efficiency. This model offers precise flame control, a broad base for stability, and a strong stainless steel build that feels premium in the hand. Its adjustable flame allows you to work with fine control whether you're torching sugar or lighting candles. What sets this torch apart is its safety lock and ergonomic grip, ensuring secure usage in high-temperature situations. The Rösle torch is easy to refill and lights up reliably with its quick ignition system. It's perfect for those who want a high-quality tool that also complements a refined kitchen setup. Fourth on our list is the Bernzomatic Micro Butane Torch, which blends versatility with affordability. Unlike standard culinary torches, the ST2200 features interchangeable tips and includes a soldering attachment, making it useful for electrical repairs, crafts, and even light welding. It generates an impressive flame temperature of up to 2,860 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough for most home and hobby uses. This torch is lightweight, fits comfortably in hand, and features a continuous flame lock for longer jobs. It's also one of the few in this category that's trusted by both culinary professionals and hobbyists alike. If you're looking for a do-it-all torch that's just as good at melting cheese as it is at fixing a circuit board, the ST2200 delivers. Finally, we have the BonJour Chef's Tools Butane Torch, a well-rounded option that balances safety, ease of use, and performance. This torch is widely recommended by food and kitchen reviewers as a dependable all-purpose tool. It features a fuel level indicator window, an adjustable flame, and a self-igniting safety lock system. Lightweight and ergonomic, the BonJour torch is perfect for first-time users or those who want a no-fuss solution for everyday cooking tasks. It delivers a steady flame that makes it easy to brown meringue, toast breadcrumbs, or even sear small cuts of meat without firing up the grill. This torch also comes with a detachable stand, which is a thoughtful addition for added safety when not in use.